Up to 50% of an operator's total OPEX is spent on energy, and any significant savings mean additional profits. Reducing energy consumption doesn't have to mean reducing choice or cutting back on services. Ericsson's new BTS Power Savings feature makes it possible to reduce energy consumption by 15 to 25% in the radio access network and still provide the same quality to consumers. During periods of low network traffic, the BTS Power Savings feature puts those parts of the network not needed in standby mode. With the BTS Power Savings feature rolled out in a network including 100,000 TRXs, the yearly energy savings will be about €1,240,000. This corresponds to an energy reduction of about 7.3 million kilowatt hours. If energy costs continue to rise, your savings will increase year on year. Energy savings also mean a reduction in CO2 emissions of approximately 4,400 tons per year. If the BTS Power Savings feature had been installed worldwide in 2007, the collective global energy savings would have been more than 1 billion kilowatt hours. It shows that sustainability and cost reductions can go hand in hand. Let's listen to what India's largest telecom operator has to say about the BTS Power Savings feature.
BTS Power Saving, what we have seen is that the capacity deployed in the network is not required on 24-hour basis. So for the balance hours in a day, which is about typically 15-16 hours, we actually don't need that capacity to be on. By keeping that capacity on, we are actually wasting the energy and of course the cost towards that. So we want to now optimize our capacity in such a way that it is made available on demand, and when the demand subsides, immediately we can also reduce the capacity. And it has to be fully automatic. It should not yield into any manual intervention, or it should not in particular lead to any customer dissatisfaction. And the cost pressures of the rural areas of course can be met. We will implement in each site of rural which we can. And end of the day, it matters who implements more effectively.
When targeting the low-income segment in high-growth markets, lower energy consumption is vital for continuous expansion. The total cost of ownership has to come down as low as possible to make telecommunication viable for everyone, wherever they live.